Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Sister, we can start the session. Welcome to the last day of stress management and positive thinking.
Shanti. So, shall we start the session? So, today we have come almost to the last day. Shall we start? Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Good
Sister, we
morning.
can good morning. We can start the session, sister.
Okay. Good morning to all. So, as usual, we will start with Om Dwani. Okay. So, today we will do Om Dwani so beautifully. Today we will try to experience this divine light, just to see the divine light which is different from the body. The divine light, the soul, the pure energy different from the body. Try to feel it today. Just experience it. There are two entities in it. One is the physical body and the other is the divine light. That is the healing energy, the healing power. Lot of energy is in the soul. So now while performing this Om Dhwani, let us experience that divine light different from the body. Okay? Focus your mind and intellect on the divine light, divine energy. Experience it. I am that Jyoti. I am the light. I am the power. Om. 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 An energy, a pure energy, a very peaceful light, star, shining star, diamond at the center of the forehead. Experience it. See the divine light with your third eye of knowledge. I, the peaceful energy. I, the soul, the pure energy. I am that Om. pure energy. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I am healthy, I am pure, I am peaceful. All my family members are healthy, they are peaceful. The world, all the five elements are becoming pure and peaceful. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti. So now we will start with the presentation since today is the last day. So I want to complete the topic of the meditation so that you'll understand a little more about the meditation. So we have almost covered the first slides. This all were completed. This all completed, and we have seen yesterday also the experiment of water, the experiment of the experiment of thought on the water, and how each thought creates the impression in the mind. So now we'll come to the topic of meditation. So meditation is not complicated. It is simply a means of teaching your mind to think in the right way. So it is very, very simple. The one who understands the concept of meditation, it is as simple, so simple. While performing all your actions also, you can do the meditation. So meditation is nothing but positive thinking. See, simple example, if water is flowing down, then that water will go in all the multiple directions and that water gets wasted. But for the same water, if I give one direction and so that all the water goes in that direction, then we can get multiple benefits with that water. You can get the electricity, you can so many things, we can get the multiple benefits. In the same way, in my mind, if the thoughts are flowing like anything, going like anything, but with the process of meditation, I align the thoughts in one direction so that all these useless thoughts I will remove it, and only the useful thoughts I will take it and I'll align in one direction so that I'll get the multiple benefits of it. This is what is meditation. You can see in the slide, the useless thinkings will be removed and only the useful thoughts will start in the mind. I am the controller of the mind. So I have the choice to decide what to think and what not to think. And the beauty of the mind is the more you think, the more the thoughts also will come in the same direction. It's a sequence of thoughts. It will continue, continue, continue. It is a sequence. It doesn't stop. First, one thought has come. Then slowly you observe your mind, a train of thought starts coming. But in the first thought itself, if you know that it is a waste thought, that it is a negative thought, then try to cut at that point. Don't entertain the next sequence, the next train of thoughts in that direction. So if I know that technique, so I have to decide every time in my mind when the thought has come, should I continue with this thought? So should I continue? No, it's harmful. It's a waste. It's dangerous. Then stop it. So I should not continue with that train of the sequence of thoughts. So let me keep a full stop and go to that one. And the beauty of the mind is, see, a very simple example I will say you. A very simple, a glass of water is there. So that glass of water is totally dirty water. I have to fill the glass of water with a fresh water without throwing the water. How you will do it? Got the point? In a glass of water, total dirty water is there. I have to fill that glass of water with a pure water, but I should not throw the dirty water. With my height should not be, the glass should not be tilted and thrown, but it has to be filled with fresh water, pure water. How we will do? So we will take that glass of water, go to the tap, open the tap, which is getting fresh water with full force. So when that fresh water with full force goes into that glass, then all the dirty water that is there inside, it will come out. And soon after, within no time, you find the glass of water filled with fresh water. It is the same that is happening with our mind also. In my mind, if you see, there are so many waste thoughts, negative thoughts, vicious thoughts, impure thoughts. So many are there. So what I should do with it? I can't throw the thoughts. I told you, the glass of water, dirty water, you cannot throw it. But you have to fill it with fresh water. So in the same way, whatever those negative, impure, the past, the revenge, that angry, irritated thoughts are there, I cannot remove it. We cannot do it. But the only thing I can do is, I can allow the pure thoughts go inside. I can allow the fresh thoughts go inside. Peaceful thoughts go inside. We start thinking those. Then automatically this old, past, negative, stressful, angry thoughts, this all will go away by themselves. It's such a simple technique. See, in English we say that there is no definition for the word darkness. Absence of light is darkness. Is it not? Absence of light is darkness. In this room, it's totally dark. I wanted to remove the darkness. So if I try how much attempt, go away, go away, go away, darkness, it will not go. If I just switch on the light, the darkness goes away. Is it not? Just to switch on the light, the darkness go away. The absence of light is darkness. In the same way, the absence of peace, the absence of purity, the absence of happiness in my life, which is missing, is the stress, is the depression, is the tension, is the anger, is the greed. So today many people complain that I'm not able to control my anger. I'm not able to control my irritation. That word is wrong. Why you are not able to control your anger means the absence of peace, that quality of peace is missing in yours. So think more the peaceful thoughts. Think more your peace. I'm peaceful, I'm peaceful, I'm peaceful. Visualize that peace going inside. Meditate with yourself. Get that quality of peace. Then slowly, whatever the anger that you told, it will go away. इसलिए भगवत गीता में कहा, स्वधर्म सुख देता है, परधर्म दुख देता है. Your original dharm, niche dharm, तुमको सुख देता है. See, I have two hands. In one hand, I have the peace. In one hand, I have the anger. So which one do you select? The right hand I have the peace, and the left hand I have the anger. Both I gave to you. So select any one. You'll select definitely the peace. In one hand I have the love, and in the other hand I brought the hatredness. So which one do you select? The love. In one hand is the knowledge, and on the other hand are the weaknesses, negativities. Which you select? The knowledge. In one hand the power, and on the other hand the negativities. What you select? The power. See, even a small child also will select all the right hand things. Why? Everyone loves peace. Everyone loves happiness. Everyone's love bliss, knowledge, power. Why? Because these all are my original qualities. Niji dharam, swadharam. So these seven, the soul has seven qualities. Like the white light has seven colors. In the same way, this divine energy, the soul light also has seven colors. That is the seven values, the seven virtues, which are called as the Swadharam, original Dharam. So I, the soul internally, has all those seven qualities. What are those seven qualities? Jnana, Prem, Pavitrata, Sukha, Shanti, Anand or Sukh. These are the seven qualities. Jnana, Prem, Pavitrata, Sukha, Shanti, Anand or Shakti. So these are my own qualities, my property. We say that, no, this is my property, this chair is my property, this laptop is my property. No, my property is the peace, the happiness, the bliss, the power, the knowledge, the love. These are my qualities. So absence of these qualities is anger. The absence of these qualities is irritation, greed, jealousy, comparison, ego. These are all the absence of these qualities. So don't try to remove the anger. Don't try to control your anger. But instead of that, start thinking peaceful. Start increase your quality of the peace. Then the anger will go away. This is what is meditation. So meditation is nothing but allowing that pure positive thoughts inside my me. Start thinking that pure positive energy go inside. So whatever is the waste inside, the negative inside, that will go away by itself. But for that, I require a concentrated flow of water. Then only the dirty water goes away from the mind. Means my mind and intellect so concentrated, it should do that meditation. You should feel it, you should experience it. That power is coming. Really, there is a lot of peace within me. Many people have experienced. So you also try to experience, you'll find the difference. But for that, you require your dedication, concentration, and you should have your aim in life that definitely I should get it, then only you'll get it. Not just like taking it very lighter way, but you should take it in a dedicated way. So I want to experience my peace. I want to awaken my inner energy. I want to know my values. I want to get back my original values. If you have that strong intention in your mind, then definitely you can get it. You will get it. And at the same time, simultaneously, the effort also should be done. So that's why now Brahma Kumari's Meditation Center, every day the classes goes on, every day. And people comes, we see people coming together from years together, and they have totally changed their life. You ask many people, they say they experience, wow, really we are experiencing a very peaceful state of the mind. All of them who come to our branches, 95% of the students are from the families only. From the families only, 95% more than that, all are from the families. So, but how they have transformed their families, they see their family very happy in the house. Their house is like an ashram. It's like a temple. Very pure, peaceful life, happy life. So many problems come to them, but they say that the power of the God, the power of meditation, the power of my positive is changing that situation. So God says that if you become so strong in yourself, the problems will come to you and it will go back with the same force. Since all around you, you have that positive power. So create that, take the help of the branch classes and get the benefit of it. Okay. So now we'll see in the presentation a deep insight about the meditation. So this I had already told you, but I wanted to show you in the picture. Introduction of the self. So there are two entities in it. One is the physical and the other is the being. Human plus being is equal to human being. Human means it is made up of humus, that is body. And the being means the light, energy, the soul, the divine energy which I am telling every day, that is Atma, soul. Human plus being, that is body plus soul, is equal to human being, Jivatma. Without the soul, without the Atma, this body is like a dead body. A dead body also has all the body parts, but it cannot see. It has eyes, it cannot see. It has ears, it cannot listen. It has mouth, it cannot speak. It cannot do anything. Why? Because the driving energy of that body, that is the soul, has gone away. That's why when a person is dead, dead is nothing but the soul coming out from the body. What we do, we keep a light, we ignite a jyoti in front of the dead body, saying that he's not dead, his soul is Amar. Atma is Amar. Atma, Ajar, Amar, Avinashi, Shakti. There is no death for that soul. So I am that life energy. That is the first step of meditation. So realize that soul and realize the seven values of that soul. Atma, a Chaitanya Shakti, a tiny point of light filled with all the seven original pure values. That's why we say pure soul. I'm a pure soul. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm a loveful soul. I'm a blissful soul. I'm a powerful soul. I'm a knowledgeful soul. So the next slide. So this is about the introduction of the self. Mein ek atma hu. So in the next slide, we see you are a soul, a very subtle, tiny point of divine light. And in the soul, Atma, Man, Buddhi or Sanskar, mind, intellect and the Sanskar. These three are the major entities inside the soul. As the body, we have the hands, the legs, the face, everything. So in the same way, in the soul, we have the mind, intellect and the Sanskar. Man, Buddhi or Sanskar. Till now, last sessions we have seen about the mind. So mind is nothing but it is of the soul. सोल का एक फैकल्टी है, आत्मा का एक फैकल्टी है मन. So what is mind and what is intellect? मन, मन सोचने की शक्ति, the thought power is the mind, and intellect is the decision power. And intellect is nothing but, you can say it's a third eye. Intellect is the third eye. तो मन सोचता है और बुद्धि देखता है। इन दो आंखों से आप फिजिकली देखते हो, लेकिन बुद्धि का नेत्र से पूरा विश्व को भी आप देख सकते हो। इतना तेज है हमारी बुद्धि। माइंड एंड इंटेलेक्ट, दे आर वेरी 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 पावरफुल फैकल्टीज। मन कहाँ कहाँ तक सोचता है, फास्टर दैन द रॉकेट इट ट्रेवल्स with the mind by sitting here. If I just give you a thought, go to America, see the Liberty Statue, see the beautiful buildings of America, 100 floors, 200 floors, see the White House, everything, and come back. How much time do you take? Fraction of seconds. Fraction of seconds with mind. But physically, if you want to travel, it will take more than 30 hours to travel. But through mind, the fastest rocket in the universe, it can travel all around the globe within no time. That much power my mind is having. But today we are misusing our mind. How we are misusing our mind? Our own negative thoughts, our own waste thoughts, unnecessary thoughts, past thoughts. Our total energy is getting drained away. It is getting misused. Instead of that, I know the mind power. Think, start positive thinking. You'll have miracles in your life. We have seen practical experience of many students. They say that, sister, whatever we thought, it has happened. Just मैंने संकल्प किया, हो गया. कैसे हो गया? Because they trained their mind so positively and it started working with them. So you can also experiment. You can see the difference. And intellect also, the vision, the third eye. मन सोचता है, बुद्धि देखता है. तो मेडिटेशन में these two are important. जो आप सोचते हो उसी को ही देखना. तो ये मन बुद्धि का अलाइनमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इससे हमारा संस्कार बन जाता है. सो दिस इज अबाउट द माय इनर सोल, इनर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, inner powers. So now we'll see in the next slide more about the inner and the outer self. It's very clearly self-explanatory. The slide is, one is the soul on the left side and on the right side is the body. The soul is non-physical, immortal, eternal, conscious, constant self-image, natural state of peace. Whereas the body is physical, mortal, temporary, no conscious, changing image, constant motion. So this is about the difference between the soul and the body. So next slide. Now the most important step of meditation, the second step of meditation. So the first step of meditation is a self-realization, realizing your own self, divine light, which is present within the body, completely focusing on that divine light, the mind and the intellect on that divine light. That is the first step. And the second step of meditation is supreme realization. See, everything in the world requires charging, maintenance. The cell phone that we use it, in the morning, I should charge it. Is it not? If I don't charge my cell phone, can I use it? No. I need to charge it. This physical body, I need to charge it. At least I give 3 times in the full day the food to this body. Morning tiffin, afternoon lunch, night dinner, and in between tea, coffee, snacks, water. So if I don't give this to that this physical body, it will not function. Everything will require charging. The instruments that we use, the household devices that we use, The washing machine we are using, again in between we require to do the maintenance for it. The vehicles that we are using, we have to do the maintenance for it, the servicing. Everything requires charging. Everything. So in the same way, the soul, the divine light, the energy, this also requires charging. This also requires charging. But how to charge that soul? What is the source? From where does the soul gets charged? The soul is the child of the Supreme God, the Supreme Energy, Supreme Soul. He is the source of living energy. Everything the soul needs is in that God. So for charging my soul, I have to connect myself through my mind and intellect. This is a thought wave communication. We have electromagnetic communication. Through satellites, we'll receive the signal to our TV and we can get the information. The transmitter is there and receiver is there. So in the same way, the soul communication with God is the thought wave communication. Through my thoughts, I communicate with the supreme energy, the supreme God, the supreme power. Through my mind and intellect, I connect to Him. And I, the soul, just visualize that supreme light, the supreme energy, and slowly focus on it. You yourself will feel like if you stand below the sun, automatically the sun rays come to you and it will charge you. In the same way, if I connect myself with the supreme energy, with the supreme God, then automatically I will charge, I'll get charged with peace, purity, happiness, bliss. So that is the connection. So we'll see in this next slide how the Supreme Godfather, the shower of all the divine virtues. I told you whatever the soul needs it is there in the God. परमात्मा सुप्रीम एनर्जी जिसको हम कहते हैं शिव बाबा. So Paramatma Shiv Baba, the supreme energy, is the ocean of peace, ocean of love, ocean of purity, ocean of mind, ocean of happiness, ocean of knowledge. So he is completely ocean with all these virtues. So I, the soul, connect to him through my mind and intellect. Then slowly that energy, that power also comes to me. See, energy flows from higher level to lower level. Is it not? So that's why we see the hot water, within no time the energy flows and it will become cold. So in the same way, the Supreme Soul is at the higher energy level and I, the soul, is at the lower energy level. But when I start connecting with the Supreme Soul, that energy level comes to me and I also get charged with that peace and happiness. So this is meditation. So in the subsequent slides, we'll go faster. Since today is the last day, we'll complete everything. So in the subsequent slides, it's more very clearly explained. This meditation technique is also called as meditation as easy as watching a TV. It's as simple as watching a TV. So we'll see what is the TV. Next, TV. T means the thought, V means visualize. I told you, man or buddhi. R means realize, the feel it. So thought, start a thought, I'm a soul. Visualize that soul, realize the peace. Connect yourself with the Supreme Soul, the Supreme Energy through the thought. Visualize that Supreme Energy, that high power. full power, peace, ocean of realize the power. So meditation is nothing but the thought, visualize, realize and feel. The power of the thought is done by the mind, vision by the intellect, and the power to feel, realize is nothing but the sanskar, which I have shown you in the beginning, man, buddhi or sanskar. That is meditation. So in the next slide, see example. You could see a lemon in front of you. Visualize it. See a lemon is in front of you. Feel it. Take a glass of water or else directly that lemon drops. Feel it. You feel like very bitter. This is the same concept of meditation. Just feel it, visualize and realize. Okay? Gulab jamun. If I say gulab jamun, some people will say, feel it, really I have ate it. So in the same way, in the meditation, you have to enhance your inner subconscious power, which has more healing energy. Okay, next. So the main aim of this meditation is, today we'll all meditate together with an aim. Without any aim, you cannot achieve anything. Our brain and body will be filled with that cosmic energy of peace and powers. If you start meditating, you'll feel it. You're totally filled with that cosmic energy. You could see the pictures also. You'll feel that cosmic energy of peace and power, the light of love and happiness, and the vibrations of blessing and good wishes. That our life will be filled with happiness, contentment, and gratitude. So that the place where we are meditating will be filled with the divine cosmic energy and positive vibrations. This is also practically proved. Next slide. See, emotions impact on body temperature and blood pressure. In the pictures, very clearly self-explanatory it is shown. When you get angry, how the emotions impacted on the body structure, you see. Anger, how red it has become. The fear, where it is impacted on the body. Disgust, excitement, sadness, surprise, anxiety, hate, depression, pride, shame. See how these all emotions, they show the impact on the body. That's why if you remember, we told you in the beginning, like 85% of the diseases today are psychosomatic. Psychosomatic means how the emotions had affected the body. Originally, there was no major disease, but these emotions had affected. How anger has affected the complete body. Excitement, how it has affected. So today, every one of us are suffering with this emotional imbalance, as a result of which our health is totally getting, the physical health and the mental health is totally getting disturbed. The relations are getting disturbed. So if I control these emotions, then everything will become all right. Next slide. It's also very clearly shown how these emotions affect the health. Anger, as a result of the anger, the blood pressure increases. You are prone to more heart diseases because of the anger. Because of anxiety, how it will be affected, irritable bowel syndrome, heart palpitations, mitral valve problems, and because of the resentment, autoimmune disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, like this, all this gets affected only because of the emotions. These diseases we are getting, the reason is because of our negative emotions. So today we should understand the need to control these emotions. And how to control also, it's meditation, inviting the values, the virtues, filling yourself with it, then all these emotions will work. To utilize the divine energy to own advantage. The four dimension steps are to be followed. Meditation is simple like Baba, B-A-B-A, Baba. Means enlightening the brain. With meditation, the brain gets enlightened and the body also gets energized, and brightening the aura, the total aura of yours will get brightened. And empowering associates, आपके साथियों को भी empower कर सकते हैं आपकी meditation से. So when you are empowered, आपके साथी जो है, because of the meditation power, they also gets charged. That much helpful this meditation. Science and technology has used electricity today in all fields. So you could see how we are using electricity in all the fields. In the medical field, in the cooking field, in the external fields, all fields we are using the science and technology. Today, next slide. So today we have to know to use the cosmic energy. How science energy we have used. So now is the time for us to explore the utilization of the cosmic energy. So what is the cosmic energy? Whatever you send it, it will come back in the cosmic energy. Mode of meditation is easy to get detached. So sleep has the healing power and the meditation is the super healing power. The sleep is charging for a conscious being with the divine cosmic energy, and the meditation is supercharging. So meditation is also necessary as sleep. As sleep is necessary, in the same way meditation is also necessary for us, because it is a charging, supercharging. Okay. So simple things. If I keep saying in my mind, first the thought I created, I am sick, I am sick. What is the result? My own subconscious mind accepts it. What it accepts? I am sick, I am sick. My brain accepted, and every cell of the brain accepted. I'm not feeling well, I am sick. The body will act, the body also accept it and attract the sickness. Lastly, even the energies of the universe also will accept and echo energy with the same frequency, saying that yes, you are sick, yes, you are sick. The echo is coming from the universe, saying that yes, you are sick, you are not feeling well, you are sick, you are sick. And definitely you will become sick. Even though you are not sick, you will become sick. This is how it is happening. Instead of that, if I keep saying in my mind, the previous slide only, if I keep saying in my mind, I am healthy, I am rich, then my subconscious mind accepts this, yes, I am healthy, I am rich. Then universe also will accept it, and it will again give me the echo, yes, you are healthy, you are wealthy, you are happy, and definitely you will remain successful. So this is the power of the cosmic energy. This is the cosmic energy. So even you will be surprised to see the results of many scientists. One doctor had told, he told, we have two patients. Both the patients have the same disease. But for the first patient, I told him, see, I will, today we will do meditation and we'll try to cure it. The patient accepted. Then he told, the doctor told him, you just feel it. Say to yourself, I am okay. I am okay. Send that thought to you. I'm feeling good now. I'm not having any problem. All the disease that I had, the problem I had gone away. I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling okay. Just 10 minutes, the doctor told, not only you should say, you should feel it, you should visualize it. You use your cosmic energy. It has power, it will heal you. So, really, a very surprising facts have come. The patient started that healing power, and within very less time, he became all right. Whereas for the other patients, how much medicine they used to give him, but still he didn't become healthy earlier. So the only difference is we are not using that cosmic energy. So use that energy, use that path. Your total life will be changed and you'll see miracles in your life. But we require the constant practice. So today you listened, you felt very nice. But tomorrow you'll forget. But what I have to do every day, I should listen to these sessions of positivity. So you can go to the local Brahma Kumaris branches or anywhere near to you. And if you be in contact with them every day, why? Because this is the charging that requires every day. Every day we charge our cell phones. Every day we charge everything. So in the same way, every day I should charge my soul by connecting with the Supreme Soul. So that's where regular practice only helps us. Okay. So the next slide. The common form of meditation involves first getting detached from the body, from the physical existence. So feel that I am out from the body. I am detached from the body. Feel that divine light is detached from the body. That's the first step. Second step, getting connected with the source. I told you, no? Connect yourself with the Supreme Soul, which is the highest of all. Only by connecting with the Supreme, you can charge yourself. Otherwise, we cannot charge. For charging my cell phone, I need to connect to the main source. Then only I can charge it. In the same way, for charging my soul, I should connect myself with the Supreme Soul, Paramatma, Supreme Energy, whom we call as Shiv Baba, Divine Power. Ocean of peace, ocean of purity. Then third step is getting charged and utilization. So accumulating the light and might of divine energy and then using it to our advantage. So this is the common steps of meditation. So next slide. So as a result, benefits of meditation are multiple, and there are no side effects, and it is very easy and no cost. So it reduces the pains, increases the blood flow, helps remove heart diseases, helps control our thoughts, increases of energy. Multiple benefits are there with meditation. Okay, next. So speak 5 lines to yourself every morning after you get up. The first line, say to yourself, I am the best. I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am the winner. Today is my day. Can you repeat it? I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am a winner. Today is my day. So, like that, speak 5 lines to yourself every morning. You will enjoy it. Okay. So, thank you very much. Om Shanti. So thank you one and all for this total 6 days of this sessions. So now we'll go to the practical meditation session. So I wish that to continue this meditation classes through online by contacting your nearest branches, and in YouTube also we have many classes. So start this habit of listening some positive knowledge in the morning. It's very helpful for everyone. So continue this the same time, 7 to 8. Listen to some classes from the YouTube. Sister Shivani classes are there. So many classes. Brother Suraj by meditation classes are there. If you listen to the classes, so many self-motivated classes, you will feel the difference. But have this habit that every day in the morning I should play and I should listen. You boost your mind. Boost it. Lot of power is here. Realize it. Use the cosmic energy. Throw whatever the positive you get to see. So if you wish peace in your life, if you wish happiness in your life, you have to start working for it. Without working, you will not get it. So you have to work for it. How I should work? I should spend some time every day. Okay? Om Shanti. Thank you all.
Thank you, sister. Om Shanti.
So now I request Geeta sister to continue. Maybe she has not joined. So we will continue till she joins.
Participants, any queries?
And wants
I
to give
think Sai
me,
Krishna has raised his hand.
have any queries or anything?
Sai Krishna, are you there?
Hope you have enjoyed the sessions. Any feedback?
Dear participants, I would like to turn on your videos and can share your views and thoughts and how do you feel about this particular
Okay.
session if you are
Okay.
interested.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Sessions are very good and we learned a lot.
Please turn on your videos.
Thank you, sister. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Anyone else? I'm just calling to her so that she'll connect.
Oh.
Hello, Akkas, connect అవుతున్నారా? So it was a very nice time with all of you also, the 6 days. Luckily, we started, thanks God for providing us this. Why? Because when the initial day when I started it, I thought like, as I already mentioned you, I'm working. So I thought like, how can I continue all the 6 days when office is there? We have to again go to the office by 7 o'clock. How I can continue? I thought like, but because of the lockdown, the God has helped us, and the time also had helped us. So we could, without any break, we could continue all this 6 days. So thanks to Paramatma, the Supreme, and thank you to everyone. So Geeta sister had joined and we'll start the practical session.
ओम शांति सॉरी थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया। एवरी थर्सडे हमारे पास परमात्मा को हम भोग, भोग मना प्रसाद, प्रसाद बना के चढ़ाते हैं। तो थोड़ा सा उसमें बिजी थे, तो लेट हो गया। और यहाँ हम जैसे कल हम सुन रहे थे थॉट एनर्जी कैसे काम करता है, स्पेशली ऑन फूड। सो वी ब्रह्मा कुमारीज वी बिलीव दैट थॉट्स जो प्रसाद हम बनाते हैं स्पेशली इन मेडिटेशन में बनाते हैं और पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस देते हुए परमात्मा की याद में बनाते हैं और भगवान को चढ़ाकर जो भी आते हैं उनको ऑफर करते हैं। रियली वर्क्स। पॉजिटिव एनर्जी फूड के द्वारा बहुत काम करता है। मुझे याद आता है बचपन में मम्मी का तबीयत जब ठीक नहीं होता था, नजदीक के एक दादी जी रहते थे। मम्मी क्या करती थी, शुगर की पोटली बना कर देती थी, बोलती थी जाओ दादी को बोलो मम्मी का तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, पेट दर्द है। फिर मैं जाती थी और उनको देती थी एंड शी यूज्ड टू ओपन द पोटली एंड चीनी को देखती थी और कुछ मंत्र पढ़ती थी और कुछ ऐसे थॉट्स क्रिएट करती थी उसमें। थोड़े टाइम के बाद उसको बंद करके मुझे देती थी और मम्मी को बोलना इसको खा ले। फिर मुझे तो बहुत आश्चर्य लगता था, वो कोई मेडिसिन नहीं है बट ऑर्डिनरी शुगर है और मम्मी वो शुगर को खाने से तबीयत ठीक होता था। मैं बोलती थी मुझे भी दो, बोलती थी जो बॉक्स में है ना अंदर किचन में वो देती हूँ पर ये तुमको नहीं। मैं बोलती ये मुझे क्यों नहीं देती हो, मुझे भी दो। नहीं नहीं मेरा पेट दर्द है ना इसीलिए दादी ने दिया। तो बचपन से मुझे ये मन में चलता था क्या पेट दर्द के लिए वही शुगर और दादी ने कुछ मंत्र पढ़ा और शुगर को देखी उससे पेट दर्द ठीक हो जाएगा क्या। पर जैसे मैं मेडिटेशन सेंटर में आई हूँ और ये सब बातें सुनती हूँ तो लगता है हाँ बचपन की यादें आती है। सो इट वर्क्स वेरी वेरी बेटर वे। तो इसीलिए हर थर्सडे हम भी यहाँ वो बनाते हैं और सबको ऑफर करते हैं। तो आज मैं पता नहीं क्या टॉपिक चला, मैं तो नहीं सुनी हूँ, परंतु मुझे बार बार ये बात याद आ रही थी जैसे कल हमने आत्मा के बारे में तो देखा है, सुना है और इसके डेप्थ में और बहुत डेप्थ में जाना है। और आगे केवल आपको नदी किनारे लेके गई, अभी नदी तो क्या सागर के गर्भ में हमें जाना है। आगे धीरे धीरे जाने का कोशिश तो करेंगे, परंतु तो सारी दुनिया में जो खेल चल रहा है फिजिकल एंड मेटाफिजिकल के कॉम्बिनेशन से चल रहा है। एक है फिजिकल मैटर एंड वन अनदर इज अ मेटाफिजिकल दैट इज एनर्जी, मैटर एंड एनर्जी। इन दोनों को कॉम्बिनेशन से ही सारी दुनिया चल रही है। मैटर नहीं तो भी चलेगा नहीं, एनर्जी नहीं तो भी नहीं चलेगा। दोनों का खेल साथ साथ में हो रहा है, परंतु मैटर एनर्जी के आधार से चलता है। अगर मैटर में एनर्जी नहीं है तो कुछ काम का नहीं रहेगा। तो सारा खेल एनर्जी का ही है। डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द एनर्जी मैटर स्टेज चेंज होता जा रहा है। इफ एनर्जी इज पावरफुल मैटर इज ऑल्सो पावरफुल। इफ एनर्जी इज वेरी वीक मैटर इज ऑल्सो बिकमिंग वेरी वीक, क्योंकि एनर्जी का डायरेक्ट रिलेशन मैटर के साथ है। तो अगर वापस हमें मैटर को पावरफुल बनाना है तो एनर्जी को भी पावरफुल बनाना है। तो इसके रिलेटेड में जब कहेंगे फिजिकल एंड मेटाफिजिकल, सो डेफिनेटली these belong to two different entities, different places, and both have come together and playing some role. What do you mean by this? जो अंदर इस शरीर के, जो शरीर कहते हैं हम 5 तत्वों से बना हुआ है, 5 एलिमेंट से बॉडी बनी है। तो 5 एलिमेंटल वर्ल्ड में है ना, बॉडी को कहाँ रखा है हमने, अर्थ में, पानी के साथ, हवा में, सूरज की रोशनी में। तो ऑल द टाइम वी नीड ऑल द 5 एलिमेंट्स टू नरिश द बॉडी। आज की जमाने में डी विटामिन बहुत चाहिए, डी विटामिन। सो डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ सी विटामिन एंड डी विटामिन, we are facing so many problems. It means body wants nutrition, the proper nutrition. Okay, तो इसकी नरिशमेंट के लिए जैसे होलिस्टिक फूड चाहिए हमें होलिस्टिक हेल्थ के लिए, परंतु इसके अंदर जो मैटर है, तो ये जो 5 एलिमेंटेड बॉडी इस दुनिया से है, जिसको हम कहते हैं कॉर्पोरियल वर्ल्ड, साकारी दुनिया। साकारी दुनिया माना जिसको हम आंखों से देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम कहते हैं कॉर्पोरियल वर्ल्ड। इसको हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय भी कर सकते हैं, नया भी बना सकते हैं। इसको कहते हैं कॉर्पोरियल वर्ल्ड। इन द सेम वे बॉडी को क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय भी कर सकते हैं। इन द सेम वे द 5 एलिमेंट्स। परंतु इसके अंदर जो चेतन शक्ति बैठी है, जिसको हम कहेंगे मेटाफिजिकल एनर्जी, तो वो तो इस दुनिया से नहीं है, ये वो एक दुनिया से नहीं है, क्योंकि आत्मा जो है उसमें ना 5 तत्व, 5 एलिमेंट्स, एक भी एलिमेंट नहीं है उसमें, ना हवा, ना पानी, ना धरती, ना आग, कुछ भी नहीं है। इट इज अवे फ्रॉम ऑल दीज 5 एलिमेंट्स, so that energy is called as a 6th element, metaphysical energy, and that belongs to metaphysical world, which is beyond this space. Science, हाँ, वहां तक रॉकेट के थ्रू, सैटेलाइट के थ्रू कहाँ तक गए हम, इंसान की खोज कहाँ तक गई, एक हद तक गई, परंतु उसके बाद क्या होता है, नहीं, उसके बाद हम नहीं जा सकते, कारण आगे बढ़ेंगे तो वापस आने का पेट्रोल नहीं रहेगा। जहां तक आगे जा सकते हैं और वापस भी आ सकते हैं, वहां तक ही हम जा सकते हैं, उसके बाद क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते। और बॉडी के थ्रू एक लिमिट तक ही हम जा सकते हैं, परंतु उसके आगे क्या होगा ये नहीं पता किसी को। परंतु कहाँ कहाँ शास्त्रों में एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड के बारे में कि बड़े बड़े साधु संत जो चाहते हैं कि रिबर्थ नहीं हमको लेना है, ऐसे लोग कहते आकाश के ऊपर भी और एक आकाश है जिसको कहते हैं एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड, वहां वो एंजेलिक फॉर्म में टिके हुए हैं। ये साइंस नहीं खोज सकती है, इट्स बियॉन्ड द साइंस। ओके, तो उसके बाद कहते ही बहुत सुंदर वर्ल्ड है जिसको कहते हैं मेटाफिजिकल वर्ल्ड। The whole world it's a oval shape and it has divided into 2 parts. The below part is a physical and above part is a metaphysical. जो आत्मा के रिलेटेड में जो भी बातें हैं तो ऊपर की पार्ट में होगा, इसलिए कोई भी शरीर छोड़ते हैं कहते लेफ्ट पर हेवनली अबोर्ड, ऊपर गया, बिकॉज इट हैज कम फ्रॉम ऊपर की दुनिया, तो ऊपर की दुनिया में वापस जाएगी, तो ऊपर की दुनिया से रिलेट करती है। तो वो दुनिया क्या है आज हम वो देखेंगे। स्पेस में डिफरेंट प्लैनेट्स हैं, गैलेक्सी है, व्हाटएवर। ओके, तो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्पेस कॉस्मोस के अंदर हम स्टडी करते हैं इसमें क्या क्या है, कितने प्लैनेट्स है, और स्पेशली मून में जाएंगे और कहते हैं मून में भी और एक दुनिया है। ये भी एक रिसर्च है, पता नहीं कहाँ तक सच है, तो भी रिसर्च चल रही है आगे। और कहते हैं मार्स में भी और एक अर्थ जैसा और एक वर्ल्ड है जहां भी लोग रहते हैं, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉड, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज नॉट ट्रू। परंतु उससे भी ऊपर, बहुत ऊपर, इतना ऊपर कि ना कोई फिजिकल बॉडी जा सकता है, ना सूर्य चांद की रोशनी जा सकती, ना ही कोई आवाज। वहां ऐसी दुनिया है, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस वर्ल्ड, और लाल सुनहरी दुनिया, गोल्डन रेडिश कलर वर्ल्ड होगा। जैसे आकाश स्काई ब्लू कलर है, परंतु इसके ऊपर भी और एक स्काई है जिसको कहते हैं ब्रह्मांड के परम धाम, सोल वर्ल्ड, स्वीट साइलेंस होम। Once upon a time, we souls are used to stay on that sky only. Twinkle twinkle little star, वो पोयम किसके लिए गाया होगा, ये स्टार्स के लिए नहीं गाया होगा। सच में पोएट ने उस आकाश को देख के इतनी छोटी सितारा आत्मा और इतना बड़ा खेल करती है, तो इसलिए सो वंडरफुल यू आर लिटिल स्टार, यू आर वेरी वंडरफुल, बिकॉज इतनी छोटी सी आत्मा इतने बड़े शरीर को चलाती है, इतना काम करती है। तो वो वंडरफुल स्टार आकाश के भी ऊपर की एक दुनिया, सारे स्टार्स आत्माएं उस दुनिया में रहते थे, ठीक है। और बॉडी ना होने के कारण बातें तो छोड़िए, परंतु इवन वी डोंट यूज टू क्रिएट एनी थॉट आल्सो, नो फीलिंग्स, नो थॉट्स। जैसे यहाँ कोई मर जाते हैं, डेड साइलेंस में बॉडी सो जाती है, नो मोमेंट, नो फीलिंग्स। उस दुनिया में आत्मा डेड साइलेंस में बैठ जाती है। आज वो दुनिया को हम देखेंगे, ठीक है, वेरी पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस। और उस दुनिया में हर आत्मा अपनी फुल पोटेंशियल से काम करती है। सो आत्मा के अंदर जो संत गुण है, हर आत्मा का फुल पोटेंशियल से शाइन होगा वहां, ठीक है। क्योंकि बॉडी है ही नहीं, बॉडी कॉन्शियस नहीं, ईगो नहीं, हेट्रेड नहीं, एंग्री नहीं, तो हर आत्मा डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी लेवल से, आत्मा की डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी, जैसे कि देखिए हम मेमोरी चिप यूज करते हैं 1 GB से लेकर 256 GB, आगे भी है ना, तो है इतना सा, पर चिप साइज सेम होगा, इंटरनल कैपेसिटी लेवल्स अलग अलग होंगे। हर अगर समझिए मेरे पास 1 GB मेमोरी कार्ड है, फुल भर दिया मैंने, हाँ 8 GB फुल भरा हुआ है। ऐसे वहां परम धाम में हर आत्मा की कैपेसिटी अलग अलग होने के बावजूद भी हर आत्मा फुल होगी अपनी पोटेंशियल से। तो जितनी भी आत्माएं हैं वो 7 कलर्स से शाइन होती जाएगी, 7 पावर्स से ट्विंकल करती जाएगी। इसलिए वो वर्ल्ड को आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो, कितना प्योर होगा, कितना पावरफुल होगी, कितना पीसफुल होगा, ठीक है। पहले एक बार वीडियो एनिमेशन के द्वारा उस दुनिया को हम देखेंगे। तो ये दुनिया है चांद सितारों से भी बहुत दूर, आप देख रहे हैं, ये है आत्माओं का ट्री, सोल्स का ट्री है, इन्वर्टर ट्री। ऊपर में है परमात्मा सुप्रीम सोल और नीचे है सारी आत्माएं। देख सकते हैं आप बिंदी बिंदी कैसे चमक रही है। एक इन्वर्टर ट्री के माफिक उस ब्रह्मांड की दुनिया में हम सब आत्माएं बैठी थी, बहुत पावरफुल, पीसफुल एंड प्योर स्टेज में। ये है हमारी ओरिजिनल रेसिडेंस, आत्मा का अपना असली घर है। जिस घर से हम नीचे आए हैं ये है ब्रह्मांड परमधाम। तो हम मेडिटेशन में ऐसे दुनिया में मन और बुद्धि से ट्रैवल करते हैं, करके वहां का एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। We take all the powers of purity, peace and power। कारण केवल इसी दुनिया में सब कुछ अवेलेबल है। जो सोल के लिए सोल नेसेसिटीज है, सोल नेसेसिटीज यहाँ पूरा हो सकता है। पर एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 मिनट्स भी वहाँ हम जाके स्पेंड करेंगे, एटलीस्ट 3 minutes 4 minutes, so our soul battery will get recharged। थैंक यू भरत भाई। शांति, इंस्टॉल। तो ये थी वो दुनिया जहाँ से हम सभी आए थे, जहाँ हमें अभी वापस भी जाना है। जब नीचे आए थे अपनी फुल पोटेंशियल से ही नीचे आए हैं, जिस स्टेज को हम कहते हैं सतो प्रधान, द हाईएस्ट स्टेज ऑफ सोल। सतो प्रधान, सात मना हिंदी में 7 होता है। सो सोल के जो 7 पावर्स है 100% होगा इनिशियल स्टेज में। एवरी सोल इज चार्ज 100%, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कैपेसिटी, है ना। तो सतो प्रधान स्टेज में, हाईएस्ट प्योरिटी स्टेज में इस दुनिया में सोल आती है, धीरे धीरे बॉडी के थ्रू पार्ट प्ले करती है, और जब तक बॉडी से अटैच नहीं होती है तब बहुत प्योर रोल होती है आत्मा की। पर जैसे ही आत्मा अपने आप को सोल भूल जाती है और बॉडी एक्सेप्ट करती है कि मैं बॉडी हूँ, मैं बॉडी हूँ, मैं मेल, मैं फीमेल, आई एम ए डॉक्टर, आई एम एन इंजीनियर, आई एम ए हाउस वाइफ, एक्सेप्टेंस हो गई ना बॉडी, मैं बॉडी, तो सोल पावर्स काम करना बंद हो जाएगा। फिर सोल gradually it comes to the second stage, rajo pradhan, 60%. Then it comes to the tamo pradhan stage. तो तमो प्रधान माना बिलो 40%। एंड ग्रेजुअली अभी जो समय चल रहा है, इस समय में हर एक आत्मा की कैपेसिटी 15% ओनली है। ठीक है, तो इसी को कहते हैं तमो प्रधान, द लोएस्ट स्टेज ऑफ सोल। पर ये सारे स्टेजेस क्रॉस करने के लिए अबाउट 5000 ईयर्स होता है ना। एक ही जन्म में 3 स्टेजेस नहीं होगा। इट टेक्स ऑल अराउंड 84 बर्थ्स टू कवर ऑल दीज स्टेजेस। सो वंस तमो प्रधान स्टेज आ जाता है तो अगेन रिचार्जिंग का हमको क्लूज मिल जाते हैं, तो रिचार्ज कर लेते हैं अपने आप को। फिर से हम गोल्डन स्टेज, दैट इज सतो प्रधान, again we'll enter into that sato pradhan stage. This stage we can compare with a life. जैसे छोटा बच्चा जन्म लेता है तो कितना सतो प्रधान रहता है, इसलिए बहुत प्यारा लगता है ना। वो सोता है तो कितना शांति से सो जाता है, वो हंसता है कितना खुशी से हंसता है, और हर इंसान को अट्रैक्ट करता है, प्यार करता है, इतना अच्छा स्माइल करता है। उस छोटे सोल में कितना प्योरिटी, कितना लव, पीस, हैप्पीनेस एंड पावर। वो किसी चीज को पकड़ता है तो छोड़ता ही नहीं है, चाहिए माना चाहिए बस, इतना जोर से पकड़ता है। इसका मतलब बॉडी को माना जब तक बहुत छोटा था, विद इन 2 years, वो 2 years में सोल बॉडी से अटैच नहीं होती है, इसलिए फुल सोल कॉन्शियस स्टेज है। सोल कॉन्शियस स्टेज में सोल की सारी पावर्स नेचुरली काम करना चालू रहते हैं। पर जैसे ही सोल बॉडी से अटैच होती है, बच्चा बोलेगा मुझे आइसक्रीम दो तभी मैं खुश हूँ, चॉकलेट दिलाओ तभी मैं खुश हूँ। इसके पहले 2 साल पहले वो कोई डिमांड करता था, इतना खुश रहता था, कोई डिमांड नहीं। तो वो ओरिजिनल स्टेज थी आत्मा की, सोल कॉन्शियस स्टेज। वंस बॉडी से अटैच हो जाती है, डिमांड्स स्टार्ट, कंडीशंस, डिमांड्स, एक्सपेक्टेशंस सारा शुरू हो जाते हैं। पापा बाहर जाते तो बच्चा एक्सपेक्ट करता है शायद पापा मेरे लिए कुछ लेके आएगा तभी वो खुश रहेगा। तो देखिए, और धीरे धीरे वही स्टेज आज तक भी है। अगर कोई से कुछ मिलता है तभी हम खुश रहते हैं, कोई कुछ देते नहीं हमको तो हम खुश नहीं रह सकते। तो हम अभी क्या बन गए? वी वर देवता। देवता माना देने वाले। हम खुशी देते थे, शक्ति देते थे, प्यार देते थे। अभी क्या बन गए? लेवता। We started expecting the things from others. शांति लेना चाहते, प्यार लेना चाहते, है ना, रिस्पेक्ट लेना चाहते हैं ना। पहले हम देते थे, अभी लेने वाले बन गए। तो देने वालों को क्या कहेंगे? देवता। लेने वालों को लेवता, बेगर। तो हम कैसे थे? देवता थे, पर आज हम बेगर बन गए। बेगर केवल पैसे का नहीं, रेस्पेक्ट लेने वाला बेगर है, मान शान लेने वाला बेगर बन गए। शांति सुख प्यार लेने वाले भिखारी बन गए। पर भिखारी से अभी हमें क्या बनना पड़ेगा? राजा। राजा क्या करता है? देता है। राजा सबको देता है। तो देने से क्या होता है? बढ़ता है। जितना देंगे उतना बढ़ता जाएगा। ठीक है, तो एक सुंदर गीत सुनेंगे, उससे आप रियलाइज कर सकते हो वो दुनिया कैसी है। ओनली ऑडियो चलाएंगे तो आप सुनते सुनते उस दुनिया का अनुभव करेंगे और मन से इमेजिन करो। ठीक है, जस्ट इमेजिन दैट वर्ल्ड। हाँ, आकाश के ऊपर एक लाल सुनहरी दुनिया है। ठीक है, उस लाल सुनहरी दुनिया में हम सभी स्टार के जैसे बैठे हैं। कल क्योंकि आज टाइम भी बहुत हो गया है, करूंगी कल कमेंट्री के द्वारा वहां ले चलूंगी। ये केवल मेडिटेशन के द्वारा ही है ना, जो स्पिरिचुअल गाइड है उनके गाइडलाइन से ही हम उस दुनिया में इनिशियली जा सकते हैं। और कुछ बार जैसे 10 बार हम किसी के गाइडलाइन से जाके आएंगे, उसके बाद आप खुद ही उड़ सकते हो उस दुनिया में। इतना सुंदर, इतना ब्यूटीफुल। ये सारी दुख दर्द जो चल रहे हैं ना आज की दुनिया में, सब भूल जाएंगे। सब, हाँ, यहाँ कुछ भी चल रहा हो पर आप एक अलग सी दुनिया में स्पेंड कर सकते हो टाइम। हाँ, अभी लोग क्या चाह रहे कि कहाँ आइसोलेट प्लेस में चले जाएं, वहाँ पीसफुल रह सकते हैं। इतनी क्राउड में पता नहीं क्या भी हो सकता है, तो ऐसे प्लेस पर हम जाना चाहते हैं, सोचते हैं लोग। परंतु मन से हम कहाँ तक भाग सकते? कहाँ भी गए, अभी जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट से इतना तक फैल गया, गांव गांव तक फैल गया, गांव गांव तक, तो मार्जिन बहुत कम है। तो जहाँ है वहां से हम अगर इस दुनिया से ही दूर चले जाए तो मन से, फिजिकल बॉडी से नहीं ना, कंप्लीट नहीं, केवल 5 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स उठ सके, तो वो ये उड़ान जो है हमें बहुत सपोर्ट करता है। तो आज के लिए थोड़ा सा गीत सुनेंगे, कल प्रयास करेंगे सच में जाने का। ओम शांति। सभी गीत सुनेंगे, अभी 3 मिनट का चलाएंगे। Bharat, you need to play the song, second song. ये गीत बिना पिक्चर का सुनेंगे कल तो बहुत इसका अनुभव होगा। तो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस आत्मा का भी, और उस दुनिया में चल के देखेंगे रियली क्या होता है, और इज इट साइंटिफिकली प्रूव ऐसी कोई दुनिया है। यस, उसका भी हम कुछ सुनेंगे कल। कल ब्यूटीफुल एक मेडिटेशन का एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे। थैंक यू। ओम शांति।
Om Shanti. Sister, 2 minutes.
Thank you, Sister Geeta, for accepting our request. Though we are not able to get good number, we thought that the students would join
No
large
problem.
number and take the benefit of this program. Unfortunately, many of them did not turn up.
Okay.
Finally, it's only the faculty who attended this one, and we got a lot of benefit out of this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Or 2 minutes, I
Om
want to tell you something, Kalyani sister. 2 minutes.
Yes, sister.
Yeah, 2 minutes. I want to tell you something to everyone. कि कल
Yes.
आरती मैडम ने मुझे फोन किया था कि भैया का हेल्थ अच्छा नहीं है ना, इस हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड है। तो जनरली किसी को हम हेल्प कैसे कर सकते हैं ऐसे कंडीशन में, we cannot go and do something for him, but we can meditate for him. तो हम सभी मिलकर 2 मिनट्स हम मेडिटेशन करेंगे, हाँ, ब्रदर के लिए।
Sure, sister.
तो आप सभी अभी कैसे क्या करेंगे? तो इमेजिन दैट मैं आत्मा टाइनी पॉइंट ऑफ एनर्जी यहाँ रहती हूँ और परमात्मा की एनर्जी में सोल ले रही हूँ, और उस एनर्जी को जैसे टार्च लाइट क्या करते, फोकस जहां हम चाहते हैं टार्च लाइट को, उस लाइट को फोकस कर सकते हैं। तो हम सभी इमेजिन करेंगे 2 मिनट के लिए कि गॉड इज गिविंग अस लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी टू आवर सोल, और हमारी सोल डायरेक्टली गिव द एनर्जी टू द ब्रदर जो हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड है। तो इमेजिन करेंगे कि हम सबकी एनर्जी उनके बॉडी के ऊपर जा रहा है और बहुत अच्छा जल्दी मेडिसिन भी रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा, ऑक्सीजन लेवल भी बढ़ेगा, प्लेटलेट्स भी बढ़ जाएंगे। ऐसे हम सभी 2 मिनट्स के लिए मेडिटेशन करेंगे।
Sure, sister.
I'll give you instructions. सभी अनुभव करेंगे कि मैं आत्मा प्रकृति के मध्य बैठी हूँ, एक शाइनिंग स्टार हूँ, और परमात्मा जो सुप्रीम स्टार है वो मुझे बहुत पावर दे रही है। अनुभव कीजिए एनर्जी का फाउंटेन मेरे ऊपर पड़ रहा है और मैं वो एनर्जी लेते हुए भाई साहब को इमेजिन करेंगे हम सब की एनर्जी भैया के शरीर के ऊपर जा रहा है। एनर्जी उनकी बॉडी के रिकवरी के लिए बहुत सपोर्ट देगा। ओम शांति। थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
Om Shanti. As per Low Holtz, a famous football coach, stress as positive routine like it's not the load that breaks you down, it's the way you carry it. As we are ending the 6-day training program on stress management and positive thinking and practicing it in our daily life, I would like to spell some highlights of the program. This program provided inputs on stress free living, positivity in relations, different ages, namely age of faith, age of reasoning, age of progress, age of stress, tension and depression, and age of panic or peace. Causes of stress, key to the stress management, 5 hours of stress management, 7 C's that need to be inculcated, 3 myths of minds, four, 3 types of minds, 4 types of thoughts, 7 core qualities to gain energy, and happiness is the state of mind. Attention without any tension is meditation. And enlightened us on leading a happy life. It's time to thank each and everyone by name for making this event happen. I am very humbled and honored to be the one making the closing remarks and giving the oath of thanks. Firstly, I would like to thank Almighty for making this program a great success. I take an opportunity to thank our management, Srimati Arati Sampati, President and Chief Executive, Dr. Shailesh Sampati, Vice President and Deputy Chief Executive, Srimati Deepika Sampati, Associate Vice President, Dr. A. Sudhakar, Director General, Dr. S.V. Ramana Rao, Director, and Mr. Govind Unnava, Chief Strategic Officer, who provides a platform for the best practices. On behalf of SSIM, I extend a hearty vote of thanks for our resource persons, Sister Kanti and Sister Geeta, for enlightening the participants on how to overcome stress, think positively, and practical meditation sessions daily. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to faculty colleagues, academic associates, technical support team, and students for your active participation in the training program. Looking forward to meet you all in our next program. Finally, whenever you are stressed, eat chocolates, sweets, etc. Because when stress is spelled backwards, it becomes desserts. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.